How to remove unwanted audio in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the timeline where the clip with unwanted audio is placed. Select the clip by clicking on it once. Now, right-click on the clip and check if Link Clips is enabled. If it is, click on it to unlink the video from the audio. This step is important because it allows you to remove the audio without affecting the video. Next, click on the audio part of the clip. You will see a separate audio bar under the video. Now, press the backspace key on your keyboard to remove the audio. This will delete the audio and leave a gap in the timeline. If you use the delete key instead, it will remove the audio and close the gap automatically. So, if you want to keep the timing as it is, use backspace. If you want the clip to shift and fill the gap, use delete. If you want to remove audio from more than one clip, just repeat the same steps. Select the clip, unlink it, then choose the audio part and use backspace or delete as needed. This is the fastest way to get rid of unwanted audio from your video clips without using any complex tools. And that's it. Now you know how to remove unwanted audio in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.